So today is Sunday, May 5th, and yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna show you what we eat today. If you guys have seen some recent updates, I did take a few days off of keto just to kind of more mental. I needed a mental break, physical break. I just needed a little bit of a break from everything. I kind of overdid it mentally for myself and physically. So yeah, I went ahead, took a break, didn't make the best choices, but nonetheless, sometimes you just gotta, you know, what do they call it? YOLO or whatever. But anyways, today we are back on the grind, honey, okay? Because summer is here. Like, it's coming, and yeah, we gotta be looking right. Today is, like I said, Sunday. We're doing a lot of work around our house. My dad's actually on his way over. We're gonna go to Home Depot. We're doing like some projects for my kid's graduation party like next month. So I was up, it's like 6:25. So I'm gonna get up and get motivated. But let me show you what we have first thing. First things first is a large cup of coffee. Like I said, we're gonna be very busy today, and I just wanted to start off my day on the best foot ever. And I need to, like I said, I definitely have went hella over on my carbs. So first cup of coffee in the morning is gonna be with the Perfect Keto MCT powder and a little bit of half and half, actually 2 tablespoons, so 1 gram of carb in here. And this has 0 carbs. Here are the macros for you guys. And I absolutely love this stuff. It tastes so good. And this MCT oil powder, it does not mess up my stomach. A lot of the other brands really tore my stomach up. So this one is really, really good. I also have the collagen too. It's pretty good, but yeah, that's it. So here are what's for my first meal of the day, or like first thing I'm doing this morning. We are not intermittent fasting, guys. This is just winging it, okay? So if you guys want to try out this MCT powder, I do have a discount code. I'll put it here on the screen, and I'll leave a link down below. Hella good. I just ordered some protein bars too, so I'll let you guys know how those come out. But all right, I'm gonna have my coffee. I'll check in with you guys later. So before we go further into this video, I did want to pop on here and say this is a collaboration with one of my bestest friends, Lauren Brazy. I admire Lauren for so many reasons, but she has literally the best personality. She is just one of those people that, like, you feel good about yourself for just knowing her, because she's just that good at people. She's just good people that you want in your life. And you know, she's a daily vlogger. I mean, she's really opened up my eyes to the world of autism. Her little girl is on the spectrum, and I know that's something that she really was set out to do, and I feel like she's such an awesome voice for that community, and just to bring knowledge and awareness to so many things that I myself was ignorant to. And she's also on a weight loss journey, and she's just living life, guys, and she's good people. And if you don't follow her, you need to, because y'all need to know my best friend, and she's real good friends. She's a friend, like she says. But I love you, Lauren. You, my friend, are quite literally one of the best people I've ever met. So thanks for doing this with me, pal. Anyways, let's go back into what we eat. So it's 11 o'clock. I'm getting ready to have like my first like meal. We just messing around. I'm doing some like lawn work. Benny, and they're putting up a screen door. So Benny is not happy because he wants to run outside. But anyways, I am cooking up my dad's here, so it's gonna be for me, Dad, and my Leo and the girls. So I have, what do I have? Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. These are what we're having. The Amy Lou and Dooley chicken sausage. So for 1 sausage is 1 carb. I cut them all into 5 pieces, so that's kind of how I can measure it, like by how many carbs. I'm gonna add in some eggs, and then I'm gonna serve them on these low carb tortillas, and I believe these ones are only 3 net carbs. So I'm planning on doing 2 sausages, some eggs, and 1 of these. So that'd be 5 carbs. That's what's for lunch. Those are keto chocolate chip cookies. I made those for my dad. So here is my lunch, okay? So this is 3 carbs for this wrap, and then there is 2 carbs for the sausage. So grand total of 5 carbs. And I'm gonna show you my drink. So I'm gonna have my Sophie be my cameraman right now. So go ahead and hold it, Sophie. So we're gonna use, this is a cherry limeade. This is a Cascade. It's the same brand as, like, it's an off brand of ice. It's just cheaper at my store. So I'm gonna take a cup full of ice. And then I'm gonna take some heavy whipping cream. Oh, you're not supposed to shake heavy whipping cream. People get really heated if you shake it, just so you know. And I'm gonna give it a splash. And this is basically a knockoff of the pink drink from Starbucks.
You cheap.
And cheap, yes girl. We all about the cheap. I'm gonna get a straw and give it a whirl. This is a cherry limeade. They have orange. They have tons of flavors, but yeah.
Make sure you hide those because I'm gonna get to them.
So,
oh my god.
That's it.
Sophia.
You want to try it, Sophie? See how it tastes?
Yes.
All right, Sophie's gonna try it. Okay, go ahead.
It tastes mostly like that.
Yeah, like but creamy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Becky, you have to
It's
try.
like a strawberry kind of.
Like a serious strawberry. Okay, here. It's good? Okay, so that's going to be 0 carbs, and then, like I said, 5 for that. And here is what's for lunch. So it's about 2 o'clock right now. I'm going to have me a snack. We're getting ready to start throwing stuff on the grill, so we should be eating probably in the next 2 hours or so. Then I'm going to have me one of these Kirkland chocolate chip cookie dough protein bars. These are 3 net carbs. So good. Guys, I've been like drinking so much water. You see me have that like whatever, that carbonated water, flavored water, but this is probably like my 7th bottle of water because we've just been outside doing so much yard work. So yeah, drink lots of water. But let me show you what we're prepping for dinner. Right here is some chicken thighs. These are marinated in a little bit of olive oil, lemon, fresh garlic, fresh oregano, and a little salt and pepper. So it's going to be very much like a Greek chicken. We're going to throw those on the grill. We're going to have some plain barbecue chicken thighs. And then in here, we have some skirt steak, and then we're gonna grill up some poblano peppers, and we're gonna top it with a little bit of melted Chihuahua cheese. And then my mother-in-law made her famous rice, which I'm not gonna have. And then I'll probably just have a low-carb tortilla with a little bit of avocado. So yeah, that's what's gonna be for dinner. All right, so here is dinner. I wanted to show you guys, I have a little chunk of Chihuahua cheese right here. This is a piece of skirt steak that we just finished grilling. And underneath here, I have some keto coleslaw and then a couple strips of the poblano peppers. So this is all going to be for 0 because I do not count my vegetables. And I am going to go ahead and use a low-carb tortilla wrap for 3 carbs. So that's dinner. I'm very excited. All right, so I'm going to get ready to have my dessert. And everybody got like slushies today from 7-Eleven since it's so warm out. But this is what me and myself are gonna have. This is just some sugar-free Jello. 2 carbs. It has 2 sugar alcohols, so carb-free. I'm gonna have about a half a cup. It's pretty good. It looks like that. But yeah, I'm gonna have this, and I'm gonna go ahead and watch me some Game of Thrones. So yeah, this is what's for dessert. Yes, honey. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this full day of eating up. Thank you again, Lauren, for collabing with me. You know I love you so very much. But yeah, so again, guys, this is me just getting on track after kind of having some episodes, kind of refocusing and just regrouping. And I'm just taking it real easy, real lazy keto, but everything was really good and I didn't feel deprived. And most of all, I felt okay from the inside out, and that's really what it's all about, especially for me. So if you guys are new here, I would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. We do a ton of keto stuff, a ton of everything. It's just anything that is everything in your everyday life. And honestly, we're friends here. We're real friends. We ain't fake friends, honey. We real friends. So please stick around and, you know, hang out with us and just join the family. But all right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, and I love you all so very much. Bye, guys.